Hi guys. So if you are someone trying to integrate more greens into your diet, you can make rotis out of them. Let's see how. Let's first start with cleaning and chopping the methi. You can use palak for this recipe too. The procedure remains the same. To add some flavor, we need 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, jeera, ajwain and green chilies. Make a paste out of it and keep it aside. We would add it to the flour later. Now take the wheat flour in a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup besan to this. Add the chopped methi or palak leaves. Add in the garlic chili paste, salt to taste and cooking oil. Give it a good mix and now start kneading it by adding little water at a time. Once you have the dough ready, make equal size balls and roll them in round shape or any shape that you like. Slather some ghee on the top side of the roti and let it cook until it starts getting brown spots. Flip it around and let it cook on both the sides. The brown spots on them are a good indication to know that they are ready to remove from the heat. Serve it hot with curd and your favorite pickle. This is a very easy and healthy way of adding in greens to your diet. Do give this recipe a try. Thank you for visiting our channel. Until next time, eat healthy and live healthy. Have a great day.